If you have successfully primed the pen, it's now time to administer your dose. Turn the dose knob until it stops at the 1 icon in the dose window. Insert the needle into your chosen injection site at a 90-degree angle, making sure that the needle pierces the skin. Then push the dose knob all the way in until it stops and hold for 5 seconds. Then check for the 0 icon before removing the needle. If the icon is not at 0, you can insert the needle at a new site and continue administering without resetting the dose to 1. After the injection, if you notice a pinprick of blood, lightly press the site with a cotton bud without rubbing. Replace the outer needle shield, unscrew the needle and dispose of it. Finally, replace the pen cap and store it safely.